What up, guys? I wanted to show you something real quick. There's a lot of things that I wanted to show you on this kit. This is not a kit we installed, but this is paint protection film, and I show you paint protection film all the time. See the large gap in between all those? There's nothing technically wrong with that. It is not something we strive to do here, and certain shops will definitely avoid that, and certain shops will sell that to you like it's factory. So I wanted to express that this is a sign. This is what I see a lot of, where people are concerned about getting paint protection. They've had something like this. They've seen something like better than that. And so if you're concerned, like one of the things that people are worried about are taking the badge off the hood or different parts. We had a customer, we did his Cadillac or whatever, and he was worried about taking the badge off. So if you're not comfortable with your installer taking the badge off, then I would worry about him doing your paint protection in general. So the number one thing you want to do is make sure that you're going for a quality installation. And if you go with these large gaps, like let's zoom down here at the bottom and kind of get from the bottom down. Like look over here. If you guys can see that on the camera, and then how wavy and wonky it gets through here, the film should never be up this high. I'm not going to throw anybody underneath the bus that did this. All I'm saying is there are two different types of installs. This is the fast. We're going to put some protection on. You're not going to have protection at the bottom. It's going to be obvious that it's on your car. This customer is having us remove this, and I'll show you a video of us putting a full hood on here. We're going to put a full hood, a full bumper, and you won't see it. And so that's really what you want, is a quality installation. And that's what we strive to do. Now, years ago, I thought that was right. I didn't know there was a difference. And I spent a lot of years investing experience into learning how to do it correctly. And that's what I want to show you guys, is how to do it right, and that we do it right. And if you have something like this, just know it gets better. And then if you've liked this, then you're going to love what we do. So I can't wait to show that to you and show you the difference between what this is and what the possibilities are. So we're going to get started on this. I've got a couple other things I want to show you in the shop today. So it's going to be exciting to see this transformation. Take a good look at this Jeep. But while we're doing it, see all this chrome here and all the chrome down here? So we call this a chrome delete. And it's pretty popular. People love to do it, especially when you have this white and black combination. This is mostly factory. So this is a factory black. But what we're going to do is we're going to add to the factory black and make it look even more factory while deleting some of this chrome, then the chrome down here, and we're going to tie in their aftermarket wheels, and we're going to make it look like it rolled out of the factory as a tuxedo option. So I can't wait to show you this. We're going to get started on it. I wanted to show you that real quick so Dakota can yank this stuff off here and people could think that we did this in here. So like I said, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just there are different styles of installers and different types of installations. And at the end of the day, you get what you pay for. You know what I mean? So if you're getting quoted something like this, it might be a lot cheaper than what we do. But that may not necessarily be what you want, but it may be what you want. So. this, or that we hadn't done, that somebody else done, and we fixed it and put some new paint protection on here. So what we like to try to do, if the customer will allow us to, is do full pieces. So there's no seams before, there's no edge to see. We take the edge and we hide it underneath the film. So you can kind of see it. We roll it up under. We're just going to go through and kind of detail that out, but we try to hide it in the body line that is already existing. So that'll be a lot different than what you've seen in that previous video where you have a big gap around the badge. So this particular one, we took the badge off, we left it off. Now there is a way to put the badge back on. So we could do that, but the customer wanted debadge chrome delete. So if you're not familiar, or maybe you are familiar, it's something we do a lot. I said back to the basics because people do that all the time. They take all the badges off, so you don't know exactly what you're looking at first. And then it doesn't say Jeep or anything like that. And then we took all the little tiny chrome rings out of here. We deleted the chrome that was down here. We deleted this chrome. We deleted the chrome down here. We got rid of the chrome in the handles in here. So it came factory with this gloss black, but what we did is we took all the extra little pieces and made it all match. So now you're looking at a very sleek two-tone object that I think just looks eye-appealing. I've had somebody say, is that a Range Rover? You know, it's really just about keeping it simple is what I always say. Two-tone, two colors is always the best. So it just makes it look tight. We thought about trying to get rid of these, but we have to take the whole bumper off and it's a whole deal. So you don't want to do that. But it does look cool. The lady's going to be super excited. She did full tint, obviously it's murdered out. And then bumper paint protection and hood paint protection, and then the chrome delete and deep badge. So we still got to black these little guys out, and there should be no badges. The only other badge we left on here was this one in the back because it's like recessed. The actual body's made around it. So if we were to take it off, it would still look like there was a badge there. And technically we could, order custom pieces and change all that up, but this is, part of the chrome delete. And then these roof rails, we also deleted this morning. So she's ready to go out. She's looking fine. And this customer is so excited. She's super hyped. She's like, I miss my car. So it'll be good to get it to her. And let me know what you guys think. Comment on there. Let me know what you think. If you like a chrome delete, if you're looking to get one, let us know. We'll be glad to do it for you. It doesn't have to be white. It can be any color, and it goes with gloss black good. So just hit us up on there. Thank you.